Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to play alone in Stumble Guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So there is no actually solo mode in Stumble Guys. So I'm going to show you a trick. And first of all, I want you to know that you will need another account for this. You will need two accounts. So you can just make one account on your computer and invite that account. I'll just show you how you can do that. So first of all, we'll need to go to party, and you can click on create party and click on normal game. And as you can see, I have two friends here, but they are offline right now. But if I want to just play solo, I will just invite them and I will tell them not to play and just stand still. And you can just click on play here. And as I said before, you will need two accounts for this. So you can just start one account on your computer or another mobile phone and not play with it. So you can just click on play and then play solo. So that's how you can do that. It's a trick. There is no solo mode in Stumble Guys. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.